wondered how easy it would be to make your own whole wheat pancake mix? So you wouldn't have to buy those from the store. Well, I have the tutorial for you. Hi, I'm Shelly from Frugal Family Home, where I create quick tutorials to help build your cooking and baking confidence. And today I have my recipe for whole wheat pancake mix. It's a dry mix you can make to make your own whole wheat pancakes in just minutes. Let's get started and I'll show you how easy it is to make. Here's the ingredients we need to make our own whole wheat pancake mix. So you'll need your flour, and I prefer to use whole wheat pastry flour. You can use the regular whole wheat flour, but it can be a little heavy. If all you have is whole wheat flour, you might want to mix it half and half with all-purpose flour. Then we have our baking powder here, sugar, salt, and a jar to store your pancake mix in. This quart jar will keep a double batch, and if you don't have jars, you can always use a ziplock, quart-size ziplock bag, and then just tape the label on. And I will have the printable labels for you. Just look in the description. So let's get started with making our mix. Okay, for our mix, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our whole wheat flour. To that, we're going to add our baking powder and our salt, and finally our sugar. Then we're just going to take our whisk and whisk it to make sure it's all combined really well. With mixes, you don't want any, you want to combine them really well, so take the time to really whisk them, and a whisk is the easiest way I've found to actually do this step in the recipe. So just whisk it really good. All your baking mix of whole wheat pancake mix is ready to go. It's really that simple. And now we're just going to take a quarter cup scoop is what I like to use, and just scoop our flour into the jar, just like that, to fill it up. Works great. It doesn't make such a mess. And I like to use a wide mouth jar for this. If you have a standard size jar lid, it's a little bit harder to get it in. You might need a funnel, but I find it's just easier to use measuring cup and just scoop it in, and it goes right in. And again, this is a double batch. A double batch will fit into a quart-size jar or a quart-size Ziploc bag. And there, we've got our mix into the quart-size jar. Just take the top off. I use these plastic lids. I really like them. There you go. You have your whole wheat pancake mix in the jar. It fills it about 2/3 full, and this is enough for 8 servings. That's how easy it is to make whole wheat pancake mix, so you can have your own mix and not have to buy it at the store. And if you want the full printable recipe with other tips, look for the link in the description. And if you don't subscribe to our channel yet, I would love to have you subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you'll be notified when we have new videos available. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.